In the heart of adversity lies the seed of our greatest rebirth. Let us discover the path to our most magnificent comeback, guided by the wisdom of Zen. Amidst life's storms, our most remarkable rebirth often sprouts from the soil of our deepest trials. Within the realms of Zen teachings, we find the compass to navigate our journey back to greatness. It begins with recognizing that our setbacks hold within them the seeds of transformation. Just as a tree stands tall after the tempest, our resilience grows amidst challenges. The quest for resurgence, as per the profound teachings of Zen, beckons us to embark on a unique inward expedition. In this introspective journey, contemplate our setbacks not as burdens, but as intricate threads woven into the fabric of our existence. Picture these challenges as the twists and turns of a labyrinth, and, akin to a seeker navigating its intricate paths, approach them with curiosity and openness. Refrain from attaching labels of success or failure. Instead, view each experience as a fleeting chapter in the book of life. Just as a leaf gently rides the current of a river without resistance, let your reflections flow freely. Embrace the transient nature of our trials, much like the delicate morning dew that graces the earth but eventually dissipates. Recognize that these moments are not roadblocks but rather guides, imparting valuable lessons that nurture the seeds of resilience within us. In the quiet contemplation of impermanence, discover the wisdom that arises when we let go of judgment and allow life's currents to shape our journey. The pathway to our resurgence is an intricate journey, akin to a delicate dance performed on the stage of life. Here, disciplined action intertwines seamlessly with tranquil acceptance, forming the choreography of our transformative existence. Imagine your intentions as the choreographer, guiding each step with unwavering commitment. Picture the focused dedication of a Zen practitioner in meditation, mirroring the precision of a dancer lost in the rhythm of the moment. Yet in this dance of resurgence, balance is the true virtuoso. Envision the serenity of a quiet pond, a reflection of your inner calm amid life's currents. As you surrender to the ebb and flow, allow the symphony of disciplined action and tranquil acceptance to harmonize, creating a masterpiece of resilience and renewal. In this ballet of life, each movement is an expression of your inner strength, every step forward a testament to your adaptability, and every moment of tranquility a reflection of your unwavering resolve. Craft a daily ritual echoing the rhythms of Zen practice, a morning routine that transcends the mundane and becomes a sacred dance with the cosmos. Immerse yourself in simplicity, finding profound contentment in the ordinary tasks that compose the symphony of your existence. Let each action be a brushstroke on the canvas of your day, painted with mindful awareness and intention. In every breath, discover the potential for transformation, realizing that each fleeting moment is a portal guiding your journey to resurgence. As you sip your morning tea or feel the warmth of sunlight on your face, recognize the subtle shifts within and around you, for it is in these seemingly commonplace moments that the alchemy of renewal occurs. The morning breeze whispers ancient secrets, inviting you to attune to the symphony of nature's rhythms, syncing your heartbeat with the pulse of the universe. Embrace the dawn as a sacred sanctuary, a space to commune with your inner self, aligning your intentions with the energy of the awakening world. Let the morning ritual be more than habit. Let it be a mindful symphony where the ordinary transforms into the extraordinary and where your spirit dances in harmony with the cosmos. Explore the vast landscape of your aspirations with the mindful stride of a Zen scholar. Immerse yourself in deliberate action, releasing the ephemeral grip of distractions that pull at your focus. Unearth the delight found in committed endeavors towards your objectives, akin to the meticulous care bestowed upon a Zen rock garden, where each placement contributes to the symphony of beauty. As you cultivate the garden of your ambitions, Recognize the profound parallels between the intentional strokes of your efforts and the purposeful arrangement of stones in the tranquil Zen setting, each contributing to the overall masterpiece of your journey. In this journey, the soil of your setbacks becomes the fertile ground for the blossoming lotus of resilience. Let the winds of change sculpt and shape your resolve, much like the gentle breeze that sculpts the landscape, shaping it into a serene panorama. Align your aspirations with the constancy of nature's rhythm, adapting and growing, just as the seasons transition seamlessly. As the Zen master harmonizes with the universe, so too must you synchronize your ambitions with the flow of life, creating a symphony where every note resonates with purpose and grace. To orchestrate your greatest resurgence, you become the artful gardener of your own being, tending to the garden of body, mind, and spirit with the finesse of a Zen master. Your journey of disciplined evolution transcends mere action. It is an intimate dance with the essence of existence. Just as a garden requires nurturing, so too does your being. Cultivate the soil of your mind, sowing the seeds of wisdom, allowing thoughts to bloom into insights that guide your steps. Water the roots of your spirit with the elixir of meditation, nourishing the depths of your soul with tranquility. As the garden of your knowledge expands, let each leaf of insight, each flower of understanding, inspire actionable steps, creating a tapestry of growth woven from the threads of Zen wisdom. Your being is a canvas upon which the brushstrokes of your intentions paint a masterpiece of transformation, each stroke deliberate and purposeful, revealing the vibrant hues of your renewed existence. Just as a skilled gardener tends to each plant with care, tend to the interconnected facets of your being, weaving harmony between body, mind, and spirit. Embrace the symphony of existence, conducting the melody of your resurgence with the serene wisdom of a Zen gardener, for within this garden, the seeds of your greatness sprout, reaching towards the sunlit sky of your potential. Remember the Zen principle: how you do anything is how you do everything. Approach each endeavor with the resonance of a temple bell, echoing through serene mountains. Wholehearted dedication. Let your every action reflect the artistry of a calligrapher's brushstroke, precise, intentional, and filled with unwavering commitment. Allow the silence of meditation to permeate your movements, infusing them with mindfulness and purpose. As you walk this transformative path, let resilience be the lantern lighting your way through the fog of uncertainty. With each step, embody the tranquility of a Zen garden, where chaos finds harmony and adversity becomes the fertile soil for growth. In your actions, may the essence of dedication radiate, shaping not just the outcome, but also the very fabric of your being, echoing in every corner of your existence. In essence, embarking on the journey to engineer your most magnificent resurgence, led by the wisdom of Zen, is akin to orchestrating a grand tapestry woven with the threads of deliberate practice, profound mindfulness, and an embrace of life's fluid cadence. May your steps along this path mirror the graceful dance of a Zen master, unveiling the latent fortitude within your being and heralding forth an awakening of your most profound and majestic revival.